Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to the new year, where updating your Facebook presence is as straightforward as ever. Many of us wonder if we can still change our name or that unique link that defines our profile. Good news, you absolutely can. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to modify both your display name and your personalized Facebook URL. Let's make sure your profile reflects exactly who you are, keeping you easily discoverable online. Changing your main display name on Facebook is quite simple. First, access your profile by clicking your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. From there, select Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. You'll then see an option for See More in Account Center. Click that. Within the Account Center, under Profiles, choose your Facebook profile and then select Name to type in your new preferred name. Before you finalize your new display name, remember a few important guidelines. Facebook permits you to change your name only once every 60 days, so choose wisely. Your name also needs to comply with Facebook's community standards, meaning no unusual capitalization, excessive punctuation, or special symbols. Always ensure your chosen name is professional and accurately represents you. Once updated, you'll need to wait 2 months before another change, so take a moment to double-check everything. Now, let's talk about that unique Facebook web address, often referred to as your username or custom URL. This is the link people use to find you directly, like Facebook.com/yourname. To modify this, simply head back into Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and once more click See More in Account Center. From there, under Profiles, select your Facebook profile, and then look for the username option to input your new, personalized link. Your custom URL is a powerful tool for your online presence, making it effortless for others to find and connect with you. When choosing your new username, aim for something unique, clear, and easy to remember that truly represents you or your professional brand. Try to keep it simple, avoiding complicated numbers or obscure characters. A concise and relevant custom URL enhances your discoverability and helps maintain a professional online image for 2025 and beyond.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.